Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dynamics from the 2022 Wave 6. We have Kyle Larson's Valvoline Next Gen car. Now on the back you can get other cars from Wave 6 like Chase Elliott, Harrison Burton, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and many more. Let's get Kyle Larson out of his box. So here we have his sticker, which has a white circle with the Valvoline logo. It says Valvoline Trusted. Red, white, black, a black line, his initials, the number 5, and a Valvoline can. Someone must be mowing their yard. So here is Kyle Larson. So Kyle Larson's new sponsor was Valvoline in 2021, and instead of William Byron, who also sponsors Valvoline, without the blue and red, is Kyle Larson now has more of a red, and there's not a lot of blue on this car. So the hood has a white circle with the Valvoline logo, Valvoline Trusted, with a nice red paint job. The 5 is now moved to the side, and the circle Valvoline logo is more on the side here. The original motor oil, also a white and black line. Sorry, the camera just started doing that. And then on the back, it says Drive for 5, which I'm not sure what that is, but I think it must be something that Valvoline makes sure you protect your engines for a long time. Valvoline on the trunk with a white trunk. And on his hood, you got his number 5, the Hendrick Motorsports number 5, and a Valvoline can, just like the one on the sticker. And also, I forgot to mention, there's the HendrickCars.com logo on the sides here. I'll give you a 360 view of the car. And that'll be all in today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.